Hi guys, just got this new blender. My son has been begging me to make smoothies, or so that he can make his own smoothies. So I wanted to get a machine that was simple enough for him to be able to use it and that we can all use. And what I loved about this blender is it comes with extra cups so you can take them to go. So let's just take a look. So we've got your quick start guide and of course the manual, and it comes with 2 to-go cups, which I thought was awesome. And what I thought was really nice was that the jar for the actual blender is glass and not plastic. Let's see, this is the to-go cups, and they are a heavy-duty plastic. Very nice looking. Beautiful. Always love things packed in styrofoam. All right, let's see what else we got in here. We have our glass carafe. Very, very heavy and heavy duty. And it's got all the measurements down the side, which I thought was great. And we've got our lid that just puts right on, seals really nicely, so there won't be any leakage. And we have our lids for the to-go cups. And wide open drinking hole so that you can get your smoothie down. Great for a breakfast smoothie on my way to work too. I'll be using this just as much as him probably. I just loved all the features with it. That's why I chose this one. Also, not to mention, it was an amazing price. Got your little stir stick. And last but not least, we have the base. So the silver is going to match the kitchen really nicely, and the blue and black. Just very easy to do. We've got 3 settings here. Super easy. And this is just going to sit in there really nice. 1-button operation. You don't have a bunch of different choices, so it's just going to be really easy to do this and to make his smoothies without me. And again, we got the to-go cups. Beautiful. I'm very happy with the quality, the look. It has a lock and unlock into place. So this is unlock, and that is lock. Just everything about it is simple, yet high quality and easy to use. Thanks for checking it out with me, guys.